Hello everyone, I'm going to be doing a review on an Innovv 2-channel motorcycle crash cam. This will be an Australian review. Firstly, I was looking at I bought a motorcycle after a bit of a break from riding, and I was looking at getting a crash cam. And I did a lot of reviews and looked at a lot of reviews like you are right now, and this one seemed to be the best value, one of the best value for money. Unlike a lot of reviews, I didn't get this for free. For the purpose of doing a review, I paid full price for this kit, so it's a completely unbiased review. But once we open the box, you'll see we've got the 2 camera lenses, front and rear. Got the recording unit and the screen. Okay, in the box we have the GPS module with a speaker. We have the button that freezes the recording. The DC converter that converts from 12 voltage to, I think, 5 voltage that the camera uses. For the mounting, 3M tape, the mounting stickers for the cameras. For the cabling, it comes with a card reader and 2 lens protectors. You do need a memory card to record on these things, however it doesn't come with that, it's sold separately. It also comes with instructions. Okay, and here's the bike that's going to be installed on. It's a Tiger Triumph Sport 800. Okay, so I've just taken the seat off and I have installed the first camera, the front camera. Decided to put it just under the headlight there, onto the cowling. And that was just a matter of removing 4 Allen screws, Allen key screws, and the cowling came off, and I was able to attach the camera and feed the wire through behind the cowling. Just fed the wire through up behind the cowling here, and up behind there and through here. And I've also put the record freeze button on, decided just to put it there inconspicuous out of the way, and the same wire just goes through here and out to here. Okay, now I've found a position for my rear camera, so I've just mounted it just next to the brake light there, and I've used all the original mounting brackets that come to the unit. A lot of people I have noticed that have manufactured their own brackets, but I'm just going to use whatever's in the kit. Yeah, so it's been put on there. All I had to do was remove these 4 bolts that hold on the cover, the rear cover there, and I just passed the wire through, and here's the wire here. Pretty easy so far. Well, just about to connect the 12 volt DC converter to 5 volt, and I've got the positive and negative here, and also this is it's meant to be connected to switched on power, so I've just found a spot here at the back of the brake light, and I'm just going to tap into this brake light wire here. It comes on when the ignition is turned on. And that's it, it's installed. I've just turned it on and powered it up, and there you go. It's working. The only thing is, it does have a lot of cabling I'm going to have to tie up and neaten up, but luckily I have a lot of room in the back of the bike. So the only thing I did notice, it didn't actually come with, it's supposed to come with a waterproof bag that goes over the actual DVR unit itself, but it didn't come with a bag, so I'm not sure if it's missing or they just don't come with it anymore. But anyway, that's the install. So I'm just going to neaten up the wires, put the seat back on, and that's it. And I'll take it for a test ride later and check out the results. So as you can see, there's not too much mess everywhere. I've got most of the wiring behind this section here, just all neatly cable tied together. I'll just turn the bike on, just the accessories, and it should power up in a moment.
Recording started.
And there it is. I could just notice that the rear camera view is slightly crooked. I just got to bend the mounting bracket a little bit. I'm not too worried about that now. I'll do that later on. Okay, the next phase will be just a test ride and a test recording.
Oh, this is the front camera recording. As you can see, the quality is really good. I have heard people compare it to a GoPro, and yes, it's not as good as a GoPro, but I don't really think it's meant to be. It's a crash cam. This is a rear camera view. I think the quality is slightly lower, but it's hardly noticeable. The quality of the rear camera is pretty good as well. We can download DataCam Player software, and if you do so and view it on that, it shows you the speed, it shows you a map of where you're being, a breadcrumb trail. Well, in my opinion, this crash cam is really good quality. I'm very happy with it. I haven't had any problems with it whatsoever. I have heard that some people have had problems, but those problems have been addressed by the manufacturer. Well, thank you very much for watching. I highly recommend this product.